Hi friends, welcome to Sri Tech Solutions. In this video we will learn auto changeover of generator power to main power when the main power comes, and also how to automatically stop the generator without going to the generator when the main power comes. So for this purpose we need to do three things. First we have to buy or connect automatic changeover switch in the main line, and also you need to buy one relay, 14 pin relay. These two things you have to use in the circuit as shown in the drawing, and I strictly recommend you follow the wiring diagram I have shown. This automatic changeover switch is clearly marked where to connect the main line, where to connect the generator line, and where to connect the load, for which you need to connect the phase in the phase lines and neutral in the neutral lines. Now you can connect a 14 pin relay, and mostly 13 and 14 are the points for power supply, and you can use any of other contacts 1 and 9 for the generator connection. Also same lines you can take to the generator switch for stopping the switch. Normally switch is normally closed connection. When you operate the relay, it will open the switch and stop the generator. Now place the automatic changeover switch in your board. When power supply goes off, you start the generator and plug in the generator power supply in your board as shown. Now you will see when there is a main power, it will be showing the main power indication, and I am simulating by showing the stopping the breaker. When I stop the breaker, it will go on to the generator, and when I on the breaker, it will go on to the main power. Normally you need not do anything to the breaker, you can keep the breaker always on. It's only for demo I am showing switching off. You can see when the power supply comes, the relay gets energized and it stops the generator.